Hi guys, welcome to Exambi. In first video we discussed some important topics. I began this course by discussing the history of insurance sector in our country and some other very important topics. So the first video was very well received by you guys and all the subscribers. Thank you for that. In this video we are going to discuss about LIC and its products. Now this is important because the exam is for LIC and at least one question will be asked. So 1 to 2 questions can be asked from this video or this topic. So if you cover the topics which are discussed in the video, and if you make notes from the video, and if you read the topics, revise them, I think you will be able to answer the question from this topic. Okay, so this is important and you should make your notes while watching this video. Let's start. We don't have to go too deep because this is a specific topic and you will be learning about LIC's products, the way of working, okay, and all the technicalities in your training after you get selected in the job. But you should have some sort of awareness in order to face the question. So that's what we are going to discuss. So about LIC, let's start. LIC, Life Insurance Corporation of India, is a government owned company. We all know this. Insurance company and investment company also. Okay, so LIC earns huge amount of premium every year, huge amount of money, okay, thousands of crores of money. So it has to, because it has endowment policies, money back policies. So the product, LIC products are insurance come investment products. So it has to give some returns also. So what LIC does with all the money it collects after paying the salaries, all the expenditures, there's some money left. Okay, so there's a huge amount of money which is left. So it invests in stock markets. It invests in securities, not just stock markets, debt securities, in government dated bonds. So it is an investment company also. LIC has investments in many big companies of India. Okay, remember this fact. LIC is the largest insurance company in India by asset value, largest life insurance company, as well as largest insurance company in general, if we combine life and non-life. It was founded in the year 1956. After Life Insurance Corporation Act was passed in 1956. Present chairman, important, Mr. Hemant Bhargava is the present chairman. Headquarters are at Mumbai, India, and LIC is divided into 8 zonal offices like North Zone, South Zone, East, West. Okay, then we have Northeast, like this. We have 8 offices, 8 zones. Now slogan and tagline are important and you should know the difference between slogan. If slogan is asked, slogan is Yogakshmam Vihamyam. It is a Sanskrit phrase which has been taken from Bhagavad Gita, and English translation you should know, your welfare is our responsibility. Okay, this is the slogan. And tagline, we come across LIC's tagline in newspapers, in websites, which is Zindagi ke saath bhi, Zindagi ke baad bhi. So these two things you must remember. These are very important as far as the upcoming questions are concerned. Now there are subsidiary companies of LIC. LIC is not just in insurance products. LIC Housing Finance is one company which gives loans for housing projects mainly. Then there's LIC Pension Fund. Also, LIC Pension Fund is one of the top performing fund of NPS, National Pension Scheme, which we will be discussing in our further videos. Okay, so LIC Pension Fund, then we have LIC International to operate international operations of LIC. Then LIC Card Services is there to provide credit cards. Do you know that LIC's credit cards are there in markets? LIC also offers credit cards. So LIC offers credit cards. LIC mutual fund is there. We all know mutual funds and we will be discussing it. IDBI Bank. So this is important. LIC bought IDBI Bank. This deal happened in 2018. Still there are some hurdles, but the deal is over. Deal has been finalized and LIC now has controlling stake in IDBI Bank. So these are the subsidiary companies. LIC card services I wanted to discuss because this is interesting. Provide credit cards as products. This is in partnership with Axis Bank. This is important. This point is important. You should remember the name of this bank. Okay, the question may be asked. Which bank partners LIC for credit cards? So 4 type of cards: LIC Gold, Titanium, Platinum and Signature. Now insurance products of LIC: endowment plans, whole life plans, money back plans, term assurance, micro insurance, pension plans and health plans. Okay, so these are mostly LIC, main LIC company, which is Life Insurance Corporation. These are the products of main LIC. Okay, now what is endowment? Now we will discuss the products in brief, because you just need to know what like for endowment plan, what an endowment policy is. Okay, and a very popular example if you want to know. Otherwise maybe a question may be asked from the products, but not very likely, because there are so many products LIC is offering. And if you want to know more about the policy names, okay, you can go to LIC India and go to products. That's it, simple. Okay, so endowment policy is a type of life insurance contract or life insurance policy. It is designed to pay lump sum money after pre-agreed term maturity or in the event of death. Okay, so endowment policy is a kind of policy which is not pure insurance policy. It gives you dual benefits, or it has dual features: insurance also and investment also. Okay, so suppose you take Jeevan Anand. LIC Jeevan Anand is the most popular endowment plan for LIC. If you take Jeevan Anand for 15 years, okay, so suppose if a person takes that policy, if the policy completes its terms and the person is still alive, so the person will be given a pre-assured money. Okay, suppose LIC says that after 15 years we will give you 20 lakh rupees. So this person will get 20 lakhs or up to 20 lakh depending on the bonus which LIC gives. Or if that person dies between the policy, so the insurance cover will be given to the family. Okay, the insurance cover as well as the money which has been which has been added till now. Okay, so the money as well as the insurance benefit. So this is an insurance as well as investment policy. Then we have whole life policy. This type of policy remains in force for insured person's entire lifetime, okay, till the person is alive. So premium are to be paid till maturity date, and the premium are higher than endowment policy. Okay, because this policy is more certain to be availed by the person who is insured, or is certain to be given benefit. Okay, because this policy is active till the death happens on maturity date. So generally 100 years or higher maturity age. Okay, the example is Jeevan Umang. Okay, then we have money back policy. This type of policy is death benefit also and payment at regular interest. Suppose you take 15 years policy, then maybe the policy's conditions, okay, it may state that you will be given regular payments at an interval of 3 years. So if you take policy now 2019, so the first payment, some payment, partial payment, pre-agreed payments, suppose 1 lakh will be given to you in 2022, then another 1 lakh will be given to you in 2025. Okay, so 5 times you will be given that money, because your policy is 15 years suppose, and after 15 years you will be given rest of the amount. Okay, and if that person dies, then he will be given insurance benefit, death benefit. Okay, so Bima Shri, Jeevan Shiromani, Jeevan Tarun. So you can know more if you are interested. You can know more on the LIC website. Otherwise, this much is important for your exam needs. Now, term insurance plan is the traditional insurance, is the pure insurance plan. There is no investment hidden here. This policy is very simple. The policy provides for the payment of sum assured only if the life insured person faces death in the tenure of policy. Suppose you take a policy for let's say you are 30 years of age now, and you take this policy for the term of say 40 years, okay, till you reach 70. So if you die, if suppose a person, he or she dies before he or she reaches the age of 70, then he will be given the money for which he was insured. Suppose he takes this insurance policy of 1 crore rupees, so his family will be given 1 crore rupees no matter what. Okay, so the premiums are lower because there is no investment involved, but these are, I think, the best policies. Okay, Anmol Jeevan, Amulya Jeevan. Now micro insurance simple, designed for low income families. That's it, to cover their risk. This is what you need to know for micro insurance. Health insurance, obviously these are health policies to cover your illnesses, to cover your critical illnesses. Okay, so when you take this policy, there will be some terms and conditions, and the diseases will be mentioned, and the terms of payment will be mentioned. Okay, covers diseases, accidents, critical illnesses, etc. Now the last topic in this video is bancassurance. This is an important topic. You should know about bancassurance. Question may come, but basic question will come. What is bancassurance like this? So banks and insurance company tie up under this arrangement. Either bank is coming, assurance or insurance part is also coming. So banks and insurance company tie up. Banks sell insurance products to their customers. Okay, so in this arrangement, if LIC ties up with some bank, now IDBI Bank will sell LIC's products. Okay, so LIC, because it has controlling stake. Now suppose Oriental Insurance has some stake, some sort of arrangement with the Bank of Baroda. So Bank of Baroda branches will sell insurance products of Oriental Insurance or say life insurance. Okay, so so this is win-win situation for banks and insurance company, obviously, right? Why? Because banks get commission for every policy it sells. This increases their profitability. Obviously bank is earning, and bank doesn't have to hire more employees for this purpose. Its regular employees will sell the policy, and insurance company get another channel of sales at lower cost. Okay, because if it hires an agent, it has to give more commission, higher commission to agents, and in case of banks, it has to give lower commission. So guys, this is it in this video. This is an important topic, and in next topic we'll be coming up with the IRDA and other agencies, other very important topics and concepts like insurance penetration. So please subscribe to our channel, like the videos and share the videos. All the very best.